No, I haven't. I'm scared to make fun of you.
Hey everybody. So during the week now, we are about to go to Kettle Black to celebrate.
Top pay.
They're getting a raise, so we're celebrating that. So yeah, Vin has his friend Justin over.
You had the white wall?
Justin's in the block.
Who's acting a little shy right now. We're totally all bumming out, going to get a drink to celebrate. But, you know, whatever.
Talentless.
Whatever.
Yeah, don't drink it.
And Theo is he under the table again? And he's under the table again, Bubba. T.
Does it?
Bubba.
Oh, it's IPA.
T. Oh, you mad at Daddy for leaving? Hello, every time I move. Okay. So yeah.
Yo, Thon Maker.
No, what? You playing him?
Bro, he's starting.
Super
Eventually,
excited. I haven't really been feeling
That's why Marquis
good today. So I'm really excited to. I honestly think a Bud Light fixes everything.
I mean, it's 150.
So I'm kind of excited to have a
150
beer. I never drink beer.
Okay.
And
You
so
did
yeah.
all? 150?
What?
See you guys
You did
there.
150?
Yeah.
TT.
Why don't you just switch everyone who's...
Yeah, but then
TT said we're leaving. Give me kisses, T.
Harden. It's like...
It's okay, my baby. He was just outside, and there's a German Shepherd next door, and we scared him a little bit. Scared him just a little bit. Oh, baby, it's okay. So cute.
Oh man, it's like beautiful.
All right, you gotta sit on the couch, okay?
Feel like you wanna... You're not matching, you're not getting it.
That's the Kettle Black. Thank you.
You're loud in here.
Yeah. Is it trivia night?
It's like Tuesday or something.
They usually have bands. Yeah, they have bands.
I don't know why it seems like work. Like how I'm just like, hey.
Not just like, oh well, I like this guy. It's like, no, this guy you have to play. So hey baby, let's get it. Just buy all the drinks. Whenever, forever. Nah, I gotta get an house.
Yeah, you're gambling more.
I'm so excited to be drinking about that.
I don't think it's like Jack.
I don't think this camera will ever get the entire table. No matter where I go,
It doesn't like come out. It doesn't.
Oh
right?
no, you
no.
can't.
I could make it taller like this.
Move him over.
But I have to be like, okay. Hey guys.
I feel like I shouldn't watch it.
Why? It's so good.
We're exactly the same.
What do you mean?
I mean, she hates that I'm the same in it, but I'm the same.
It should be the same. We don't change the number.
Oh yeah. Can't wait to eat that. Oh my gosh.
Yeah? I feel super fat. Super. Bro, I thought it was like $10. Back to 40. Well, technically.
Doesn't want to focus on it.
No, Valentino.
Little tea.
I'm so full. You use that protein?
Yeah. Doesn't have creatine.
So the last thing that you guys saw was us last night with Vin's friend Justin, and that was really fun. We stayed there for a little bit. All that food was so good. So we did that, and now we just got home from work. I'm just gonna freshen up a little bit, and then we're going to Vin's parents again. I know you guys probably are like, we go there every single time, but we're going there for dinner because
make us food. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, to make us food. And we usually go there every Sunday anyway, but tomorrow they have plans, so that's why it's going to be today. Okay. This is the brightest light. But I figured I would film because I feel bad constantly putting the camera in everyone's face. But, you know, what are you gonna do? Try to vlog.
Is this recycled?
Is it glass?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta clean, like, it has to be kind of cleaned out.
That's impossible to peanut butter.
Gotta soak it in hot water.
Got to just throw it in the regular trash.
So, this is the first time that we've actually had to recycle in our lives. Like, you know, obviously we recycle, but for, you know, a home and recycling. And it was so funny. When we first started, we had no idea what was recycled and what wasn't recycled. Like, we had no clue at all. And we kept getting it wrong and putting the wrong things in wrong bins. It's very annoying. I am gonna try to cover up this horrible pimple that's on my head. My skin has been horrible. Work literally must just stress me out so much that I just break out like crazy. I don't understand it. But now that, you know, I think I've been in Staten Island long enough, I started making all my appointments. And I finally made a dermatologist appointment. I've never been to a dermatologist. I've really never had bad skin before. So that is going to be interesting. Super nervous because I really don't trust like any doctor with anything. So, are you gonna come with me to the dermatologist?
Definitely not.
So mean.
I don't like doctors, man.
Yeah, neither do I. You're not gonna come and support me?
Hate him.
But I hate doctors too, so I'm kind of nervous.
I gotta do my blender.
Okay.
It's gonna make a lot of noise.
Okay. So, you know how I always get Starbucks, but I do want to start trying like other kinds of coffee and stuff. So I got a, what was this called? The Golden Oat. I took a picture of it when I was there because I had no idea. The Golden Latte. So in this, I got it from Fab Cup. Super cute. In this is oat milk, turmeric, honey, ginger, and cayenne. I didn't really have it yet. I never order hot drinks. I kind of didn't even realize it was gonna be hot, which was on me because it's a latte. Like, of course it's gonna be hot. But I always drink cold things because I always get hot things all over me. I always burn my tongue, lose my taste. I can't deal with it.
Tea. Eat the rest of your food.
What?
Eat it.
It's good. It's a different, it kind of tastes like tea, not like a latte. Let me, every time this turns on, it, I have that simple human light that when you look at it, it turns on. So, it's pretty funny. If you put it in the room and you enter the room, it scares everybody. I can't keep it in the bathroom anymore when we have people over because it just turns on. They think someone's like watching them or something.
Scary when it goes on and there's no one in the room.
Oh yeah, that has happened actually, which is really scary.
Smiles they fade because her dad are on almost a month since she got a family of her own. It's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes
Makeup, touch it up. Let's do some spray. I broke this spray bottle, so it kind of squirts at me harshly. That was a good spray, actually. All right, did that. Let's take another sip of this. Oh my god, it gets so dark if this isn't on. I actually just ordered a light, babe.
Yeah.
For the back, so it's brighter. If we ever do, you know, anything else. This is really good. I think it's gonna make me kind of hot though, you know, when you drink hot things in general, but then the cayenne in this is gonna really make me hot and make my nose run instantly. Wonder if I can open this. Okay, so last year I got really into astrology. So I signed up for this box. It's called Astral box, and it's super adorable. I literally do everyone's birth charts at work, so kind of that person. This is really cool and pretty. This is the zodiac wheel. This is really cute. Okay, so in this one's box, there is this really cute little soap with a little moon in it. So this is all for the new moon, I think. Kind of forget. Every, oh, that's so cool. So every box has a new theme. So they got me this zodiac, because I'm an Aries. That's so cool. It's oil. I wonder what this smells like. Oh, it smells really good. It has birch, mandarin, alba rose in it. It's cool. That's so cute that it's Aries. I actually knew what I was. It's cute. The soap is cute. And then there's this little gem in it. Jesus. It has blue goldstone. So this is a man-made stone, but I mean, it depends if you believe in if it's a natural or man-made stone, what they do for you. But this one, the sparkles of blue goldstone are reminiscent of stars in the night sky. Use blue goldstone to make a wish. Keep a piece with you at work, at your work desk, or create a pendant. That's cute. So it's for like good luck. That's so cute. And it's really tiny, so you can keep it at work. See? Ooh, it's so sparkly. That's so cute. So yeah, so every time they have like a cute little theme. And then this bag came in, which I'm actually super excited about for like if you're going grocery shopping or something. It's so cute. It has like all little zodiac signs. This honestly reminds me of the Illuminati with the little eye. But it's cute. It's like a little happy thing you get every month. Love it. So now we're going to go to Vince's parents. Again. Like every vlog.
It's free food, can't pass it up.
True. Alright, and TT's coming, of course.
Yo, you ready? Grandma and Grandpa's? Ready?
Okay, so we're about to go again to Vince's parents. We literally live there at this point. This vlog again is just our weekly one. It's gonna be pretty jumpy. It's hard since we work during the week, but we're trying. I'm trying. Then forgot a shake in the house, so he just went to get that.
Jack.
Little baby T.
How's that beard looking? It's good.
Oh yeah, Vin's growing out his beard. Actually can't see anything, I'm blind. There we go. Yeah, so Vin's growing out his beard. And it's his first time in his whole life that he's able to grow it out. So I'm pretty excited. I'm definitely a beard person. So, super exciting. Can't tell if the lighting is bad or good.
That's good like this. You don't need the lighting.
I like it like that though. It's coming in really well.
It's just gonna come in like a big poof.
You have to get through the awkward stages of having a beard. I feel like guys just don't want to deal with that awkward stage. Vin ordered oil, right? Beard oil.
Yes.
From where?
Beardaholic.
Beardaholic. So we'll do a little review on that.
No idea if that's good.
You said it had really good reviews.
Yeah, it does. First time buying beard oil, so we'll see. It doesn't stay?
Well, now it's just kind of slanted, but whatever.
Yeah, just don't drive like a psychopath.
So,
T, say hello.
this might be really loud too during this whole thing.
Yeah, very loud. Definitely video all ruined.
We'll never get this right, guys.
T, say hi.
But you say hi? You say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Hi. 21 subscribers. Say hi. Titi, you excited?
Grandma, Grandpa's T.
Titi, Grandma, Grandpa's. Go this way, T. I'm gonna go this way. I don't trust this. Don't mind my socks and slides here. Okay. Oh, Amazon package.
Oh, it's probably mine.
Is it?
You get it? Yeah.
I guess. Okay. Oh God, it's so heavy.
Careful, glass.
It's glass.
Smells like garlic bread.
Ooh, it does. It smells so good.
Go.
Alright, so Vin got a bunch of stuff to make old fashions. Ooh.
Got a legit
I see this.
mixer now.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Yeah. Little cocktail thing. What else did you get?
I got the bitters, but I don't know if this is that. Might be. Oh no, it's the maraschino cherries. So I didn't get the bitters
that's
yet.
that's what I thought you were talking about. So. You should have brought the other stuff so you can make it.
I know.
Alright, it's alright.
I didn't know this was gonna be here.
Right, it's okay.
The legit maraschino cherries.
Wow. So these are the ones that you are supposed to make it
Made in
with
Italy.
because they don't it's like the right taste for them or something, right? Those other cherries make them taste like medicine. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Damn.
Cool, right?
Yeah.
Can't wait to use this.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Cool.
So Vin is gonna do this app thing again. Let's see.
Right here, T.
T, the treat's right there. The treaty's right there. What's on right now? 32?
32 is like nothing now.
What's the max that you put it on? I'm too scared to put it on.
I'm at 40.
I started 40 today. Finally, it hurts though.
He's nice looking in this drawer.
How's it feeling?
That's gotta go in the fridge. I'll put the other
But you
two.
got a size 50.
I got to like 56.
Oh God. Tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow we will do Thursday.
44.
For them. You and Maggie are-
It's like
Let me see.
it's like inflicting friggin' pain.
See, like your stomach like contracts, right? It kind of like goes
I'll
out.
tell you when it's happening. Now it's happening.
Yeah.
Now it's happening.
I don't know.
You know what? The beard that long, I don't like it.
It's great.
Hi, T. You waiting for your treaties? You ready going, T? Look at the way he looks.
Oh God.
Are you in pain?
49. It's killing me.
And that's what you want me to put on.
So you don't have to do it on 49. Do it like half this. Oh my god. Alright, 50. I think I'm
Yeah, Captain! You got your Tweety, Captain! I love the way he sits. Look how funny. His little arms. You want the treaty? Mama got it for you. Can you sit down? Sit. Good boy, my baby.
Alright. It's time to make a real old-fashioned. Finally have everything I wanted. Big ice cube. I'm gonna mix it all in this nice mixing glass I got. Mofado. Amazon. Got my orange bitters, which I like better than the regular bitters. Got my legit Italian maraschino cherries. I'm gonna use Buffalo Trace whiskey, which I'm running low on. It's not great. And some simple syrup. Let's see. First time using my mixing glass. 2 ounces bourbon whiskey. Dashes of the bitters, but I like to taste the bitters, so I'm gonna do 3. Got my cool mixer. That's it. One of the most simple drinks you can make. One of these cherries. I'm gonna do 2. These are so good. And of course, in the skull glass. That's old fashioned. Alright, let's try it. Definitely the best one I've made. Hey T, what's up? And Babe's hiding. It's maraschino.
I just came home from work and was so tired. I don't really feel great. My throat's been hurting, so Vin's taking over. These cherries are actually really good.
Yeah, it's the best thing ever.
And we're also finally watching Sabrina. I'm trying a new wine, even though I just said I don't feel good, but whatever. This is the wine that I'm drinking. Bobby and Mag got it for us from Newport. I'm finally opening it. Very nice. And then Vin's drink. Look how cute. I got these glasses for Halloween, last year? And I just love them. They're so cute with these little skulls. We have like a thing where we just like skulls with our drinks. Makes it a little bit more intense. So cute. Let's bring this over for him. So now we're just going to binge watch some Sabrina, and that'll be our night. And little T is having a moment. Ooh. Is it on? It's on.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Hi.
It is another day now. I just got home from work. Vin had his first day of jury duty, but he got out of it. So.
Maybe again in 6 months.
Yeah.
Hopefully not.
But so we are now eating royal again. Remember that salad I showed you guys? Amazing. That I still have to open. And what'd you get?
Grilled chicken, bacon, mutts.
Nice. And Theo is really trying to get it too.
Almost got a piece.
So now we're just gonna eat dinner. I know all these clips are so crazy. I was just today like editing a little bit of a video. It's all over the place. All over the place. We are so bad at filming the end of our day and the beginning. It's just clips of us doing things. Just try to open this.
Tried beard oil today.
Yeah, we'll show you guys that later. It's really cool.
Gave me a massive migraine.
Vin didn't know that you're only supposed to put a little bit of oil. Why do they tape this all the way to the bottom? So that's my salad.
Grilled chicken, bacon, and mutts. Your go-to.
Oh, damn, that's intense.
Yeah.
We just finished eating. Now we feel like blobs.
Way down.
Titi! Papa! Theo's been trying to get all of our food.
So sick.
I actually ate a lot of that salad. Alright guys, yet another day. That's over because we just got back from work again. We're gonna go to Starbucks because we meant to do that on the way home and we forgot. It's freezing outside, so I'm wearing my giant Super Puff Aritzia. Love it. And I think we might go try to get some dinner too.
Yeah, we'll see what's out there.
We'll see. And Titi is eating. Bye-bye. I'm so proud of you eating by yourself. Alright. Let's go. Alright, so we are obviously in the car now. This was one hectic week. I am very tired and stressed. What are we gonna eat tonight? It's gonna make that better.
I don't know. I tried, but turned everything down.
All of his suggestions were really bad. So, you guys would agree. It's really bad. Not my type of places, so.
Italian?
Italian, what, panini grill?
Yeah.
That's literally the fakest Italian I've ever heard.
I don't think so.
Coming from this Italian over here. I'm walking into Starbucks. Actually, there's more people in here than I thought there was gonna be.
Yeah.
Awkward. Thank you. So I got Ben this really cute card for getting a raise. Super cute.
Love it. Starbucks best.
I'm really excited for this. Ben got his cold brew and he's just going over there without me. So rude. Am I supposed to like go without me, man?
Supposed to what?
I'm not supposed to go without me.
Fake sugar?
Way too much sugar. Alright, so I think got so much sugar in his drink. This is so blurry, but this is delicious. Okay, so I was trying to drink less coffee today. I ordered a grande and the lady was nice enough to give me a venti. So, tried, but can't get away from it.
Come on, look how good that looks. Planet Wings.
That's what he wanted to get tonight for dinner, guys. Planet Wings.
I still want to get it. It's right there.
Alright, let's go.
I'm looking at it.
Let's go. Just back out. Okay. We decided to get Project Brunch because they have dinner and we've never eaten here for dinner before, but there's not a soul inside this place.
It's not one person, but
not anyone.
it's worth a try.
So I kind of feel like a jerk going in there, but
At least not everyone.
it doesn't close for like a while, so I don't know.
Let's try it. Whatever.
I guess we're gonna see. Like guys, look at this place right now. I told Vin already that I didn't want to do this because I felt Just horrible.
Oh, I didn't even take my phone.
Oh, you did this on purpose.
Sorry.
No, I told her. I was like, I'm so sorry. Oh, okay. All right, Moscow mules. Ooh, strong.
Really strong.
Damn.
Tell that.
Nice.
Yeah, strong.
This is good though. Look how cute it is.
No, not strong.
Din will never drink out of a straw. He's crazy about it.
Can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
How was your food? Were you destroyed and all? So good.
It's awesome.
Alright, guys. Alright, dinner was delish. Even though it was a bunch of fried stuff, it really hit the spot, right?
That's the best stuff.
Not really a fan of fried food, but that hit the spot. So now it's probably going to be the end of our weekly vlog. Now I have to edit this.